Hello, welcome you for this session, trigonometry, topology, and fuzzy set paper. For we are concentrating on fuzzy set and a few definitions as well as examples. We are going to see here. Complement of a fuzzy set. Complement of a fuzzy set. The complement of a fuzzy set A of a set X is denoted by fuzzy set complement is defined as fuzzy set A complement is equal to 1 minus mu lambda of x. So you have to concentrate what it is. If you are considering a fuzzy set, if you are taking an complement, whatever the complement you are taking, what you will do is that you will keep 1 as constant and you will subtract whatever the membership function is there. Suppose 1 having 1 comma point 2. So if you after taking this is fuzzy set I am talking about, a fuzzy set A is equal to 1 comma point 2. Complement of fuzzy set what will be? Complement of fuzzy set 1 comma 1 minus point 0.2. If you subtract what is the answer, you will get 0.8. So 1 comma 0.8 will be the complement of that element. So let me try to see this by example just now. Let x is equal to we got the 4 element 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Fuzzy set A is equal to 1 comma point 2, 2 comma point 5, 3 comma point 8, 4 comma 1. So what you are going to do? You are going to take an complement on the fuzzy set A. Complement means what you will do? 1 minus membership function of that element. 1 minus uh, 1 minus the membership function of that element. Suppose let me take the complement fuzzy set complement. 1 will be as it is, point 2 is there. If you remove 1 minus point 2, what you will get? 0.8. Then 2 second one we will go for 2 comma minus 5 is, if you take the complement same thing will get 2 comma point 5. And third one 3 comma point 8 is there. So 1 minus 0.8 means 2.2 you will get. And lastly that will be 4 comma 1 is there. If you subtract 1 minus 1 it will be 0. This is an complement of the fuzzy set. Normal fuzzy set. A fuzzy set A of a set X is said to be a normal fuzzy set if and only if minimum of an membership function is 1. Minimum of membership function is 1. That is, the membership function 1 for at least one of the x value belongs to x. What is small x? It is an element of that whatever the capital X. What is the capital X element? Suppose you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are taken 1, then 1 will become a small x. What is capital X? Capital X is a set. What is the set? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. In that way, example, if you understand, we can clearly understand. Let x is equal to, this is in set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Suppose if you select 1, that 1 will become a small x, right? And fuzzy set they have defined it here, that is 1 comma point 2, 2 comma point 5, 3 comma point 8, 4 comma 1 is there. And B also they have given to us. This is a B fuzzy set. C. Okay, you just go through the sets properly. You have to see the membership function. Okay, if you take 4, so what is the minimum number? Minimum means it should be equal to 1. Then only I can say that is a normal fuzzy set. Which one is a normal fuzzy set? Is it A is a normal fuzzy set? Is it B is a normal fuzzy set? Is it C is a normal fuzzy set? where C is not a normal fuzzy set. Why? Because no element containing exactly 1 as its membership function. Whereas in B, we have 1 is equal to 1 first element, and whereas in A we have 4 as 1 as a membership function. So A and fuzzy set A and B will call as a normal fuzzy set. Yeah. Why we are not calling C? Because it's any element membership function is not equal to 1, because it is not an normal fuzzy set. Support of a fuzzy set. Support of a fuzzy set A of the set X is classic set defined as supremum of a fuzzy set is equal to set X belongs to X and membership function of that X should be greater than 0. Right. We will consider an example. By this example, you will get to know what is supportive fuzzy set. So let me try to do. Let X is equal to, and fuzzy set is defined to you. That is 1 comma point 2 and 2 comma 0, 3 comma point 4. So right. So now let me try to write here. That is supportive fuzzy set means which are the elements you will take, which is membership should be greater than 0. Suppose you just see the set A, fuzzy set A, 1 comma point 2, it is greater than 0, and 2 comma second element, if you see 2 comma 0, it is not greater than 0, so this element you have to neglect. Whereas in second one, third one, you will see 3 comma point 4, point 4 comma greater than 0, so the supportive fuzzy set are here 1 comma 3. Why? The reason is, this is the reason. Now next one, it is alpha cut set or alpha level set. So names are different in different books. You can have this one, alpha cut set or alpha level set. Alpha cut set, alpha cut set, alpha cut fuzzy set A of a set X is the following crisp set. Given by crisp set means I made it clear. Crisp set is a set which we say that no or yes, directly only two result will be there. No or yes, not like a fuzzy set. Fuzzy set means options are more. As I said that if person is there, if you answer in for crisp set, person is alive or dead, you can say person is alive or dead. In another way, if you go for fuzzy set, person is alive with sick or is dead, he is almost dead, like this. There is a variation is there. So anyhow, let me not get into it. So let me try to get it. Alpha cut set is defined as a to the power alpha is equal to x belongs to x such that whatever the alpha is considering, that membership function should be greater or equal to that alpha. Only those elements you will take into the consideration of that set. That set we will call as alpha cut set, where alpha belongs to, once again, 0 comma 1. By example, let me try to explain this one. Let x is equal to 1 2 3 4 and fuzzy set is 1 comma 2 point 2, 2 comma point 4, 3 comma point 6, 4 comma point 9 is there. Solution, we are taking alpha as 0.3. 0.3, according to the definition, what it is, alpha is 0.3. You have to take a set which is greater than 0.3. So what are the elements which are pointer? Suppose if you take fuzzy set A, the element of 1 is less than 3, you cannot include. The element 2 membership function is 4, we can include it. The element 3 membership function is 0.6, we can include it. The membership 4, the membership function is 0.9, we can include it. Only one term we have to leave. Therefore, I am writing here alpha is equal to 0.3, then a to the power alpha is equal to alpha to the power 0.3 can be written as only 3 elements we got instead of 4. Why? Because 1, whatever the membership function is less than alpha, alpha is 0.3 is there. So it is 3, 2 comma 3 comma 4, right? If you consider, yeah, the reason is since the membership function of 1 is 0.3 is less than 0.3. Whereas other elements, the membership function of element 2 is 0.4, which is greater than 0.3. The membership function of element 3 is equal to 0.6, which is greater than 0.3. Same thing here. Okay. For next element, I have gone for 0.4. So 0.4 means you just check here only. 0.4, what are the 0.4? Yes, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So 2 include, once again same elements you will get here. Yeah. Strong alpha cut. Before this is first one is alpha cut, now strong alpha cut. Strong alpha cut, a fuzzy set A of a set X is said to be strong alpha cut if fuzzy set A contains only those elements whose membership function is greater than the given alpha. It is denoted by in this way, A to the power plus alpha. So it is defined as. So what is the difference between alpha cut and strong alpha cut set is that there the condition they made as greater than equal. Here only one condition is there, that is greater than alpha. So let me consider an example and try to explain you. Let x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and fuzzy set A is equal to 1 comma 0.2 2 comma 0.4 3 comma 0.6 4 comma 0.9 is there. So now we are taking alpha as 0.3, which is greater than. So what are the elements you will get here? 2 3 and 4, right? Reason is the membership function of the element 1 is 0.2, which is less than 0.3. The membership function of element 2 is 0.4, which is greater than 0.3. The membership function, the membership of an element 3 is 0.6, which is greater than 0.3. The membership of element 4, 0.9 is there, which is greater than 3. Right. Now convex fuzzy set. Let a set A and set X is convex if these are the condition. Please go through it and try to get what actually minimum of the set what membership function of x1 and membership function of x2 and so on. Decomposition of fuzzy set. Let X be the finite set and let fuzzy set A be fuzzy set X, then any alpha belongs to A 0 comma 1. The decomposition is defined as A fuzzy set A is equal to alpha dot fuzzy strong alpha dot alpha cut set. So this also I will consider an example, so we can follow with example what it is. You please go through here. You see that fuzzy set A I wrote in two manner. Whichever you convenient you can take it, but does not make any changes. Denominator part you can write as a numerator part, and numerator part you can write as a denominator part, no problem. So let me try to understand what is this decomposition fuzzy set. So decomposition notation, let me first go for alpha cut. What is alpha cut means? You will see how we will write this one. 1 comma point 0.3, 2 comma point 0.5, 3 comma point 0.8, 4 comma point 0.9, like that you will write. Okay, so here you just see what will happen here. 2 comma 3 comma 4. What happened to 1? Why 1 is not there? 1 because you see you took point 0.4. Point 0.4 is if you see the membership function of 1 is 3. It is less than 4. Therefore you have to neglect. Then how we will write? Just you see 1 divided by 0. Whatever which are greater than 4 we will write 1 1 1. Right. For 6 you can see 3 and 4, so you can have this one. Now 4 I will write in that manner. 4 dot 0.4 into alpha cut set is let me write. So wherever that 1 is there, what I made is that I changed once again. You come back to the solution where I wrote there, you can go and you interchange numerator and denominator, you will get this one. Now why it is 4? Because 4 is multiplied to the alpha cut set. Therefore you will get 0.4, 2 comma 3 comma 4 and 4. This is the actual decomposition. Now MCQs is there. Let x is equal to find the complement of fuzzy set. Just I am playing the options for you. So see it is. Next one is supportive. What do you feel if supportive? This is C. This is the book I refer. Thank you.